Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 653 system hive size has exceeded its limit. Error system hive too large on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first one is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows execute these three DISM tool one by one as shown on screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of these three commands, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete, and after that don't forget to restart your system. And after restarting your system, check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel items, choose programs and features, and here look for any recently installed apps in your system. If you have installed any recently app and any problematic app you found, then simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that particular app. There may be a possibility of this app is a cause of such type of error code, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command rstrui, click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Restore system can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So click on next and your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a system restore point from which your computer was in good condition. Here you will find automatic restore point, and there may be a possibility of after updating your Windows this error appeared. So choose Windows update, either automatic restore point or Windows update. Choose system restore point and click on next. And finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in description field below. And finally click on finish and let the window complete the restoration process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Hopefully after restoring your system, your error will definitely be resolved.